Windows. It's more than just an operating system, it's a digital landscape familiar to millions. Since its debut in 1985, Windows has transformed how we interact with computers. From clunky desktops to sleek interfaces, Windows has been a constant companion in our technological journey. It's the platform for our work, our creativity, and our entertainment. Before Windows, computers were intimidating. Command line interfaces were the norm. Windows introduced a graphical user interface, or GUI. This made computers accessible to everyone. No more memorizing complex commands. Windows brought us the world of colorful icons. Windows we could move around, and a mouse for easy navigation. This innovation was revolutionary. It democratized technology like never before. Windows became the gateway for millions to experience the power of personal computing. And it continues to shape the digital world today. The journey of Windows is marked by constant evolution. Each version brought something new to the table. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Windows 1.0 in 1985 was a humble start. It gave us a glimpse of a GUI-driven future. Windows 95 was a game changer. It introduced the iconic Start menu and the taskbar. These features became staples of the Windows experience. Then came Windows XP in 2001. Known for its stability and user-friendliness, XP became a global phenomenon. Fast forward to Windows 7 in 2009, which focused on speed and performance. Windows 8 introduced a touch-friendly interface, adapting to the rise of tablets. And now we have Windows 11. With its modern design and focus on productivity, Windows 11 represents the latest chapter in this incredible story. What makes Windows so intuitive? It's the core features that we use every day. The Start menu is the heart of Windows. It's your launchpad to applications, settings, and files. The taskbar keeps your open applications organized. You can easily switch between tasks with a single click. File Explorer helps you navigate the labyrinth of folders and files on your computer. It's like having a digital filing cabinet at your fingertips. And let's not forget about the trusty Notepad for quick notes and WordPad for basic document creation. These features may seem simple, but they form the backbone of the Windows experience. They are the tools that empower us to be productive, organized, and in control of our digital lives. Section 4: Windows for Everyone. The beauty of Windows lies in its versatility. It's a platform for everyone. Professionals rely on Windows for its powerful productivity suite, including Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. These applications are essential for businesses worldwide. Gamers love Windows for its extensive game compatibility. From casual games to hardcore esports titles, Windows can handle it all. And for creatives, Windows offers a canvas for imagination. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or graphic designer, Windows has the tools to bring your visions to life. Windows is more than just an operating system, it's an ecosystem. A platform that adapts to different needs and passions. It's the versatility of Windows that makes it the top choice for millions worldwide. Section 5: Staying safe and current. In today's digital landscape, security is paramount. Windows comes equipped with robust security measures to protect your valuable data. Windows Defender, the built-in antivirus software, safeguards your computer from malware threats. Regular system updates are crucial for patching vulnerabilities and keeping your system secure. Think of updates as digital tune-ups for your computer. They ensure that your system is running smoothly and securely. Always keep your Windows up to date to stay protected from emerging threats. Section 6: The Future of Windows. Windows has come a long way since its humble beginnings, and the journey is far from over. Microsoft continues to innovate and push the boundaries of what an operating system can be. With technologies like cloud computing and artificial intelligence rapidly evolving, the future of Windows promises to be even more exciting. We can expect to see tighter integration with cloud services, making our digital lives more seamless. AI-powered features will likely enhance our productivity and creativity in ways we can only imagine. The future of Windows is bright, and we can't wait to see what innovations lie ahead. Section 7: Windows, a legacy of innovation. From revolutionizing computer interaction to empowering millions worldwide, Windows has left an indelible mark on the world. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the relentless pursuit of creating technology that improves our lives. So the next time you boot up your Windows PC, take a moment to appreciate the legacy of this remarkable operating system. It's a journey that continues to shape how we live, work, and play in the digital age. And it's a journey that will undoubtedly continue to surprise and delight us for years to come.